Thank you for your love, thank you for your presence.
You would never know, but when relief was what you said, I couldn't feel my feet touch the very ground beneath my steps. And you would never know, but when you held that final set, I saw reflections of myself. I felt forgiveness. Everything worth your time is waiting. Everything here takes time.
A festival of community, culture and connection. Kanava, thank you and enjoy the festival.
Your community adds so much vibrancy to the fabric that is Cairns.
This is an amazing event. It continues to go from strength to strength. We're very, very proud to be involved with you. All the best and have a wonderful, wonderful event.
The lighting of the lamp signifies a tribute to Agni, the god of fire. The god of fire is an integral part of Indian heritage and culture.
We get to see Bhangra, we get to see Bollywood, and all of that we get to see here on Cairns.